Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you remember in yesterday's video, we talked about multiplication of numbers using the box method. And if you remember, this is the problem that we worked on yesterday. We multiplied the 2 by 2 numbers. And in today's video, we are going to multiply 3 by 3. Let's see how we are going to do that. So let's say we have number 1, 1, 1. And we are multiplying it with 7, 7, and 7. Let's see how we are going to do it. So, as we talked about it in the previous video, it's the box method. So the first thing is you got to draw a box. And if you can see, there are 3 numbers. So this means that there are going to be 3 columns. This is the first one. Then we have the second one. So all for these numbers. Now, if you see the even in the rows, it's 777. So we got to draw 3. We need to have 3 rows as well. So this is our first row. And the second one. And the third one. So you see we got 3 columns and 3 rows. Now what we got to do, it's 1100. So either you write 1100 here or here, it doesn't matter. So if you want, we can write 1100 here. So 1100, if you break it down into hundreds and tens, this is what you would get: 100, 1 tenths, and 1 units. Same way, it would be 700, 70, and then just a 7. Now what you got to do, you need to multiply. So when you would do that, it would be 4 zeros. So and then how many zeros do you see? It's just 1 0 there and 2 zeros with 100. So that would be 3 zeros. That would become 700. 7 times 1 is 7 with 3 zeros. 2 zeros there, and then 7 times 1 is just 7. 70 here. It's 700. 70 and just 7. Now we got to break down the numbers here, writing it down in the correct order. So if you look at the first number, it's 70,000. So it would be 4 zeros there, then 7, and then 3 zeros. Then again, you see this one is done, this one is done. We have another 7,000 here. So we would write down 7 with 3 zeros again. Then we have 2 700s. So 700, 700. Then we got a 70, 2 70s. In fact, we have 3 700s. I missed out this one. So be careful not to miss out any number, because if you would do, then there would be a problem in the solution. And then we have 2 70s and 1 7s. That's a lot of 7 there. All right, now let's add them up. 7 and all of these zeros just gives us 7. All of these zeros and 2 7s, that would be 14. 4 here. 1 on the top. So this is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 2 on the top. 7 and 7 is 14. That'd be 16. 1 over here. And that would make it 18. So this is what we would get when we would times 111 with 777. 86,247. 86,247. 247 is the final answer. So as you can see, it's not too difficult, it's quite easy. This is the box method, which we can use to multiply 3 by 3 numbers. I hope you understood it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.